in this video I'm going to tell MCQs from question 1, that is 20 marks, and the predict the output questions, which are 10 questions of 2 marks, so total 20 marks. So in the first question, which is of 20 marks, let's get to the first question. In the question 1, when wrapper class object converted to its corresponding primitive data type, it is called as dash. So you all know that when wrapper class object is converted to primitive data type, it is called unboxing, and the opposite is boxing. The next question, which of the following is called an array declaration? You all know that this is also an array declaration, and float, the square brackets, and B, this is also called an array declaration. So both the options are correct. Then the next, the translators used in Java are dash and dash. You know that the translators are compiler and interpreter. Here this fourth question is very important question. The question is, the result of 5672 modulus 100 divided by 10 is dash. You all know that modulus means calculating the remainder. So always remember to calculate always remember to calculate remainder when modulus is present. Here the question they have asked 5672 modulus 100. So just divide by 100 and you will get the remainder 72, and while 72 divided by 10 they have asked, so 7.2, and in computer the point does not a value, so the value will be 7. So where is 7? Yeah, here the correct option is 7. And then int a equal to 5, b equal to 7. The result of not a less than or equal to b is dash. See here, there is a logical not operator. So obviously you can just get into the option that is false. So here they have confused you that the capital F and small f, so be sure always will be using false, that is small f. Then sixth question, char a, that is caps lock a, int b equal to 4, char c equal to a plus b, and system.out.println. So tell me what is the answer in this. There is some error. So let me just read out the options. So here the options are capital E, small e, 69, and syntax error. So here if we see, here it is char a and int b. So here another variable, and here not variable, data type. So this is in syntax error. Let's check, is it correct or not? Just a minute. Yeah, it is syntax error. Students always write 69 because 1 minute. So here always they know the value of a, that is 65, and b 4, so 4, c equal to a plus b, that is 65 plus 4, and they give the output as 69. But this is wrong. Here always check the data type. So in the seventh question, which of the following represents a multi-line comment? I have posted the last video, which is I have posted a pic in the video, that is to tell what is single line comment, multi-line comment, and documentation. Documentation I never seen coming in board, so always be sure to remember single line comment and multi-line comment. So the correct option is C. Always remember multi-line comment. Here 1 backslash and 1 asterisk. Here the for loop, or not the for loop, that is comments. You will be writing the comments in a program, and end with asterisk and backslash. Okay, then the next, the scanner class method function that reads a floating point token up to 32-bit capacity is dash. So the correct option is next, capital F, float, and bracket. So both, if you see, always students take this D options, telling that this is small f, this should be only considered, but this is wrong. Here just a mistake, this is repeated. Let me just change it. This is n. Okay, and then if x modulus 2 double equal to 0, and in the loop, if x less than or equal to 20, and again in the loop, in the nested loop, system.out.println x, and both the loops are closed. So you have to write this in single statement. In this, the correct option is if x modulus 2 double equal to 0 and x less than or equal to 20, system.out.println x. See, I have seen children writing the as option A. They feel that this is or and this is the correct, but not, this is not the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. And then decision control statement in Java can be implemented using the dash. So in decision control statement, always if is also used, if else also is used, condition operator is also used. So all these statements are used in decision control statements. So all of the above is the correct option. So the next question is string s equal to 12 and y equal to 10. Int a equal to integer dot parse int x, system dot out dot println a plus y. So here the answer will not be 22, but if there are no there is no increment, decrement, or anything here, just they have told to print a plus y. So in a you will be having integer dot parseint x. So parseint x means that will be 12. So 12 and 10. So 1210 is the correct answer and not 22. And the next, int x square bracket equal to new int 10, system.out.println x in square bracket 3. This I'm giving you as homework. Here I have ticked the wrong option. Just you write down the correct option in the comments. This is an homework question. And then int x equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. See, here system.out.println x 2 plus plus, that is increment, and then add, and then prefix, then postfix. So all are incremented, so there is no decrement, I think. So this is so easy to solve. I think you have all got the correct option, that is 24. So here students will get confused that x of 2. What is this x of 2? Here they have given an array. So always mark from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x of 2 is 6. Then 6 plus plus plus, keep it in bracket, and the next that is plus plus. So x of 4 is 10, and then plus x of 2 is 6. So on solving this, you will get the answer 24. We'll go into the next question. Which of the following statement displays the second element of an array? Second element, always you know that x of 1, I have told you to start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So in second element of an array, it displays the first element. And the next, name the type of error in the statement. So this is runtime error. And the next, the array float a equal to new float phi occupies 20 bits. Always be sure of not bits, that is bytes. So always remember the data types and how much bytes they are. So it will be you will be getting 1 mark, and this type of question is very important. Next, string s1 equal to basic and s2 equal to base. So length, you have to count the length of this and add it with this length, so you'll get 9 as the answer. So length means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that counting. And the next is the output of the method technology dot substring 4 comma 10. I have already marked. So substring 4, how we will determine what is you know the strings, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have got the substring, that is n. So here, from here, tech will be not coming in the output. And then 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you all know that n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 up to here. The word will be knowledge. And there is no syntax error or runtime error. This is a question from specimen paper. A method with the same name as of class and with arguments and no written data type is termed as parameterized constructor. And the next, string a equal to 35, b equal to 8, int x equal to integer dot parse int, double y equal to double dot parse double b, system dot out dot println x plus y. So if we do this, we will get the answer 43. Always be sure to write 0. Here the student will lose the mark while writing 43. So always remember to write down 0.0. And we come to our second question. So This question is of 20 marks, and there will be 10 questions of each 2 marks. So evaluate the increment decrement. I'll just show you. That is 17.0, and then that is mathematical expressions. Write down the Java expression. You can easily get 2 marks. This is very simple. Here the next is rewrite the following using ternary operator. I think you all know the pattern of ternary operator. So I'm just leaving it. Just see the syntax of ternary operator and you will be able to do it. And then rewrite the while loop using for loop. So here int x equal to 0 while x less than 10, system.out.println x plus plus. So I have written the for loop. That is first you know the syntax of for loop, that is for int int x equal to 0, just initialize and put semicolon, then the next x less than 10 and then x plus plus, then in loop system.out.println x. So how many times the loop executed? This is a very important question, and you will be getting this question in your examination. So here let me just show you how many times the following loop will be executed. What is output of the same? You just need to write output. See here, this is not the output. So this is the outputs, and the loop is repeated 10 times. I will tell you how. So in this statement, if you see that the first statement, int I equal to 20 and I less than or equal to 2 and I minus equal to 2. So by this you could have the logic. This is if statement, I modulus 4 double equal to 0, continue system.out.println I. So this 20 modulus 4. So you can do while using this, or an easy trick is that by applying the logic, that is minus 2, sometimes you can just get the output by the for loop without getting into the loop, but it is better to check the loop. Here I'm not the looping, how many times the loop execute, like this only you should do in your examination. This is just a trick. Like this type of question will never come in your examination. Just be sure to use the loop. So here 20 and I minus equal to 2, so I equal to I minus 2, so it will become 20 minus 2 18. So like that up till 2 we will be getting the loop. So the loop executed at 10 times. Just write it down line wise. So this type of question is very rare. And always be sure to go to the loop. Then this string question, I'm thinking, let me just explain. String dot value of a, that is 410, and string dot value of b, that is 510. If we just add it, there will be 410 510. That's it, finished. So simple, right? And here string a equal to floppy and b equal to disk. So here a dot char at 0. So you all know that 0 1 2 and 0. So here f and d, here little spaces are there. So this here little space should be there. So the output will be f and d. Here some space should be there. So this will be correct. And like this if you write, the examiner will be get confused that you have left space or not. So you don't write like this, just leave one gap here, the finger length gap. Okay. Define abstraction. This is an homework question. So you all know the static variable and instance variable, and where the variables, local variables, global variables. So I'm just skipping this question. Just see. And the next is consider the following array and answer the questions given below. This will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, what is the size of the array? That is 9, so not 10. 9. And what is the index position of 14? 14 is 6. That's all. And let me just show you some simple program. Just try to solve this program. This is very easy program. You don't solve question 4. This is little tricky. You solve this 5, 6, 7 and 8. I have taken these problems from yearly questions only. So I'll just show you the solution for question 7, because it is a function overloading. So pattern is there. So to clarify your doubts, I'm showing the pattern program. I will just show you all the questions line by line. Here this is wrong answer. I have just, this is wrong. So leave this question and practice all the other questions. So that's all with this video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.